Hello everyone, welcome back next talk. In today's video we are going to explain Aruba ClearPass High Availability concept. So please I request to all watching my video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay. In today's video we are going to explain Aruba ClearPass High Availability concept, how HA works, why it is important, and how ClearPass ensure authentication continuity even during failures. This video is ideal for network engineer, NAC administrator, security professional. Why high availability is important? ClearPass is a mission critical system. If the ClearPass goes down, what will happen? User cannot authenticate. If the ClearPass goes down, user cannot authenticate. Network access may be blocked. Business operation can be impacted. That's why high availability and redundancy are mandatory for any production ClearPass deployment. ClearPass architecture overview. ClearPass does not use traditional clustering. Instead of, it follows a publisher and subscriber architecture. There are two main node types, publisher and subscriber. Each node has specific role in HA design. Publisher node. What does the publisher node? The publisher node is the central management nodes. What is the responsibility of the publisher nodes? Publisher nodes, configuration management, policies and enforcement policies, licensing, certificate and onboarding services, database replication to subscribers. Very important points about this publisher is there can be only one publisher in a cluster, in a ClearPass cluster. Okay. Second point, subscriber node. What does the subscriber node in this? The subscriber handle runtime service such as Redis authentication, Takas plus authentication, on-guard posture checks, guest access, on-board services, and subscriber are the handle these the points. You can deploy multiple subscriber to achieve the redundancy and the load distribution. How high availability works in ClearPass? ClearPass HA works as a service level, not at the UI level. Okay. ClearPass HA works at the service level, not at the UI levels. Network devices are configured with the multiple Redis servers. If one ClearPass nodes fail, authentication automatically move to another nodes. Policy and configuration data is synchronized from the publisher to all the subscriber. This ensures authentication continuity even during node failures. What happens during failures? Let's look common scenario. If subscriber fails, authentications continue via other subscriber or the publisher. If the publisher are failed, authentication continue via subscriber. Configuration changes cannot be made until the publisher is restored. If all node has been failed or has been down, authentication is failed. This design ensure maximum uptime with minimum impact. Database cluster replication. What is replication? Cluster uses asynchronous database replication. What is the replicated? Policy and roles. Endpoint, guest account, enforcement policy, load balancing and redundancy option. Okay. In the ClearPass support the DNS round and robin, layer 4 load balancer, Load balancers are commonly used for Redis traffic, guest and the onboard portals. Is the best practice for HA design. Aruba recommended design. Small deployment is one publisher and one subscriber. One publisher and one pub, one publisher and one subscriber. Medium deployment, one publisher and two subscriber. Small deployment, one publisher, one subscriber. Medium deployment, one publisher, two subscriber. Large deployment is one publisher, multiple subscriber plus load balancer. Licenses are installed only on this publisher and share across the cluster. Okay. So this is a simple and explanation about the HA ability. I again to explain about the HA ability. First one. Okay, so the HA availability and redundancy configuration theory parts. ClearPass High Availability HA concept.